I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I know kids need help paying attention in class, but I'm struggling with all these fidget toys and gadgets. Are they really helping my students pay attention? Because I worry that they're distracting. All right, let's have this conversation. I see this all the time. We know that those fidgets, gadgets, those things that our wonderful and brilliant occupational therapists often tell us to use are very, very valuable. So I don't want to discredit that at all. We know that there's a brain-body connection, and all of you out there that doodle, all of you out there that talk with your hands, my dad always says, if I held your hands down, would you be able to talk? And I look at my dad and I go, no, I don't think I could. So that's valid. So there's hard research and they know what they're doing. But we have to make sure we consult with professionals like our OTs to make sure we are teaching kids what they should be feeling or what triggers them when they use that type of fidget. So let me give you an example. If I had, this little fidget thing in my hand and it was, I pull it apart and I put it together, I pull it apart and I put it together. And I don't want it to make noise while I'm lecturing, so I learned how to use it so that I can just fiddle with it under here and it doesn't make any noise. I should be able to say, the reason why I'm fiddling with this is because I'm drifting. I'm drifting and I'm not listening and I'm not paying attention. I'm about to slide out of my chair and onto the floor and then I'm going to get into trouble. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, I grab something that helps me with my brain-body connection. That's what it's all about. If it becomes a toy and they're flying all over the room, it's not a tool anymore. So I make that very clear to the kids. It's a tool. When it's no longer a tool, it's no longer going to be available. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.